Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are doing well. I'm just kind of filming here, seeing what will go into what vlogs, but this is my first full day in Tokyo Disney. I have a park ticket for Tokyo Disneyland today that I bought at the front desk of the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, which I am in right now, and make sure you watch that review video. But yeah, I'm just watching everybody go through security and get in the lines because I have a park view room, and I'm about to head downstairs to do the Happy 15, and hopefully I get a pretty early premiere access for Beauty and the Beast. And yeah, just the line is short when I go try to ride it. I'm gonna try to take things slow today because I am pretty tired. This is at the end of my trip back to Japan, and just I've been walking so much every day. I'm starving every day when I wake up, so I definitely want to get some food after I go on Beauty and the Beast. But yeah, so we'll see what happens today. After I'm gonna check out this hotel about noon. I'm gonna come back to here at about 11. Gonna go to Disney Ambassador Hotel, gonna go to XBR. We're doing some things today. Okay, still getting ready, almost ready to go out, but I have to show you the security line. Oh, because it looks insane. Okay, there's people over there next to the gates. Those people have gotten in. Look at that security line, and it goes all the way up. So crazy. I mean, it is a Saturday in Tokyo, but crazy. I decided to look at the Tokyo Disneyland website to see the tickets, and if you see those X's there, that's tomorrow and Monday. The park in Tokyo Disneyland is completely sold out. So if you had wanted to go and you weren't staying at the hotel and you hadn't bought your ticket, you would not be able to go. If you look here, Tokyo Disney Sea is sold out for this weekend as well, and I already bought a ticket for Sunday, luckily, so I'm glad that I have a ticket, but it's going to be really crowded tomorrow, completely sold out. So I'm really glad that I'm staying at this hotel and that I already bought a ticket for tomorrow for Tokyo Disney Sea. Right, it's always the does Danielle look ridiculous or is she headed to a Disney park? And I think it's a mix of both. Let's go. So problem, my credit card won't work for the Premier Access. Don't know why, but I'm headed over to Beauty and the Beast, which is already a huge line. So we'll see what happens. Wow, already, oh my gosh. It's like 8:20. Room I wasn't in when I did Disney Premier Access. Look at that. Oh! Tail's wagging. So cute. This is part of the queue I never saw. It's not Baroque. While making noises. I'm in the front this time. I'm in the front. Alright, so just ordered Beauty and the Beast from that sign that it was going to be 110 minutes. So it only took about 40 minutes, 8:20 to about 8:15, no, so about 30 minutes. It wasn't bad at all. It was nice to see parts of the queue I hadn't seen before. The ride is amazing. I love the ride so much, even down to just like her details on her neck looking so real. It just looks incredibly real. And while I was in line, I got my credit card to work. I put a different credit card in, so I have a Premier Access for 9:20, which is in 20 minutes. So 9:20 to 10:20, which is amazing because the line is already over 3 hours long now, and it is not even 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, just super happy. I also did entry request for the Mickey's Magical Music World or whatever it's called, and I didn't get it, so I will not be seeing that show this trip, which is so sad, but that's okay. So I'm gonna see if I can get food at Gaston's Tavern when it opens at 9, because I really want one of their French toast sandwiches. I think I've never had it before, but I've heard it's good, and then hop back on Beauty and the Beast. It's a great morning so far. The bathroom stalls are meant to be stables for horses. It smells so good over here. Toast sandwich, a berry cheers, and a sweet Gaston. Very good, sort of like an ice cream float. A lot of whipped topping on there. And I'm so excited to eat this as well. Right, French toast sandwich. Look at that. It tastes very cheesy for a French toast sandwich. Alright, food was good, and now it's time to go on the ride again with my Premier Access, so let's go.
お城にかかった呪いを解いてくれるかもしれないよ。
Twice in not even 2 hours. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. I've already Beauty and the Beast twice and already ate. Maybe I'm gonna head to Honey Hunt next, I think. So thinking about it, my Sunday Luna is very loud. Sorry if it's too louder than I am. I only have about 40 minutes until I should go back to the hotel and just throw my stuff back in the bag. So maybe it shouldn't wait 70 minutes for Honey Hunt, which is at 70 minutes right now. Cafe right now. All right, I am back in the room. No, it is not a different day. I changed my clothes because I went to the restroom between Beauty and the Beast rides, and as soon as I realized I was wearing a jumpsuit, I almost cursed in front of all the children, because if you have worn a jumpsuit before, you know how hard it is to wrangle to go to the restroom, especially when you have a jacket on and you have a bag and all that kind of stuff. Like, it was not working for me. So I am wearing the Tokyo Disney shirt I got yesterday, just a cardigan and leather pants that I wore yesterday. Thank goodness for leather pants. But anyways, I wanted to show you, I did buy 2 things in the park, so I wanted to show you them. I got this beautiful, I don't need another tin. I really do not, but I had to buy this one. This beautiful tin, it's just full of chocolates, but look at that gorgeous, like little jewels that say Tokyo Disney Resort. I just think this is kind of really special, so I really wanted to get this. I will probably let my coworkers eat the chocolate since it is omiyage and I don't really need to be eating all this chocolate, but I will definitely be keeping this tin, even though I don't need another one. It's gorgeous. I really love it. Then for my coworkers, I did get this Pocky, which is an easy gift. I feel like there's 14 of them in here, I believe. And it's will just be easy to give out to coworkers and things like that back at the theater. So this was definitely a good gift to get for them. So that's the only two things I got besides yesterday in the park where I got this shirt. But yeah, it is already 11:18. Checkout at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel is at noon. So I'm just putting my stuff together and I'm going to bring my bag downstairs because apparently, according to the website, they will transfer your luggage from hotel to hotel around here. So I'm gonna ask if they'll transfer my luggage to the Tokyo. So I'm gonna ask if they'll transfer my luggage to Hilton Tokyo Bay, which I'm staying at tonight. I'll be excited to stay at that hotel, which I know, which I love, and have some hors d'oeuvres and things like that tonight. I do have an appointment, of course, at 2 o'clock for the special bread at the Disney Ambassador Hotel, so we'll definitely check that out. And I guess I will meet up with you around then. Yeah, we'll meet up at the Disney Ambassador Hotel, so see you in a bit. I still have a little time before my special bread, so let's go to the Disney store at XBRI. It's crowded. A Walt Disney World Spirit jersey here. A lot of Disney 100 stuff. I got these last time, still have these here. This Pixar backpack is so cool. And all the characters inside. I love that this is Mickey Mouse in Japanese. And here's the Disney Ambassador Hotel. I've stayed here once with friends. It was fine. This is the beautiful lobby at this hotel. Definitely one of my favorite parts here. This is the Hyperion Lounge. The special bag you can buy if you're staying at the Ambassador. Okay, so one of the only Sakura items I could find is this bag, which is reversible. This is on the inside. So cute. Okay, they have a magnet here. They didn't have a magnet at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. I wish they did. So we got the banana bread, cute, meat bread, and then the special bread, which is Minnie Mouse, and is almost the size of my head. It's very good, so chocolatey, and it just got into like that filled inside. Okay, one more bread for now. This is meat bread. Tastes like a meat sauce on a pasta to me. Pretty good. Okay, so just seeing this in XBRI for the first time. Is a Peri Fairy a thing? Is that what XBRI means? I don't know. Alright, it is considerably later now. I'm in my room at the Hilton Tokyo Bay. Got a nice big king bedroom. I think this is one of their newly renovated rooms because it's much nicer. I think I'm going to do like a mini room tour on either YouTube short or TikTok, so look out for that. And the room view here is nicer than the one I had in December. I just have been here like looking outside, looking at the new Fantasy Springs Hotel, which I think is going to be called the Fantasy Springs Hotel because they have the sign out and it's covered, but you can see the like silhouette of an F and an S. So I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be called a Fantasy Springs Hotel. But XBRI was pretty good, as well as the Disney Ambassador Hotel. Getting my special bread was a lot of fun. I did not know it would be the size of my face, but it was really good, like a chocolatey bread. And I can tell why they make you special order it because it looks like it took a long time to make, a lot of skill to like carve out mini space and carve it exactly like it's supposed to be. Also got that meat bun that was like tomatoey, and I also got those little Mickey shaped banana breads, and I ate all that, and the carbs were getting to me, which is why I've been sitting here for hours just being on my computer or looking at the pretty view from here. Also, I will say that that is the only time I think I ever went to a Disney store in Japan and did not buy anything. Number one, I think because it was highly chaotic in there, but number two, so much stuff in there was also available at Walt Disney World, like the Spirit jersey and the 50th merch I was seeing. Nothing really spoke to me there, and I was surprised because usually at those stores I'm crazy for the stuff. You saw my videos from December, like I was going crazy for a ton of the stuff at the Japanese Disney store. Maybe it's because I hadn't been to Japan in over 3 years, but this trip I was just kind of like, I can take it or leave it. Sorry if I look weird, kind of like smelling. I keep like smelling my hands a little bit because they have a new hand soap in here. They have like the big dispensers now at the Hilton Tokyo Bay, which is like disappointing to take the stuff, but it smells different. It smells kind of like a guy. I think like a guy I used to date wears this like scent, because it definitely smells like a guy. But anyways, besides that, I think that now I'm going to go to the executive lounge downstairs, just see what's there. And I think I'm gonna go back to Tokyo Disneyland just to like walk around and just hang out off camera for a little bit. Just because staying at the Miracosta tomorrow, I want to make sure I get all the footage for you because it's going to be absolutely amazing. And I've just been walking over 15,000 steps a day consistently. I am tired and I really just kind of want to stay in the room, but I shouldn't just stay in the room because it's my last day in Tokyo Disneyland with a ticket. So I want to make sure that I just spend one more little time in Tokyo Disneyland just to, you know, catch the vibes of Tokyo Disneyland that I love so much. So I think that will end this video, and I will see you tomorrow for, I think we'll have a little bit of Tokyo Disney Sea because I have a reservation. So at somewhere I've never been before. I'm really trying to mix it up this trip, do things I've never been. So we'll do that, and I'll also stay at the Hotel Miracosta. So that will be a separate video, but I am so flippin' excited. Even I checked in today at the Hilton Tokyo Bay, and the guy at the check-in was like, "Oh, Miracosta next, like that's a luxurious hotel." And I was like, "Oh, I'm really excited." So anyways, I will see you tomorrow. I guess I'm not sure what video order this will be, but I will see you in my world tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.